Hello there and welcome back to the channel. Dollar is moving lower and NASDAQ is pushing to the upside, almost trading at all-time highs, but we're not still there. You want to know how I'm gonna navigate this upcoming week? If I'm looking at that all-time high to get tagged, you're in the right place. I'm Ignas from Daily Pips Trading. We do this weekly outlook every single week and we're just gonna dive into it straight away. To begin with, we're gonna take a look at the economic news calendar. We're facing a Monday which has a bank holiday coming in United States of America, which we very much trust to consolidate the marketplace. Some of the markets are actually gonna be turned off for Monday trading. So we're gonna focus our risk towards Tuesday and Tuesday night session delivery. I'm not going to be interested in Tuesday in terms of morning session, morning trading. I'm going to focus on evening delivery. And Wednesday being hit with the FOMC very late at night, 2:30 p.m. New York time. And majority of my risk is going to go towards Thursday and Friday trading, where I very much expect the marketplace to be clean, to have very nice drawn liquidity where we're gonna be able to participate moving towards two. Setting aside the economic news calendar, what are we watching right now? The marketplace is finally running away from the consolidation profile, taking away this double top from us and leaving a daily fair value gap open. Those are the key points that I'm gonna be watching for this upcoming week, right? So to put it down, we have a daily fair value gap that the marketplace has just left open with Friday's trading. This volume imbalance is not gonna matter too much for us anymore. I'm gonna still keep it on the chart just for reference. Double top has been taken away from us, and something for you to take a look here. We had a massive, to begin with, we had a huge fair value gap here in terms of daily delivery. But what I'm watching now, I'm watching the remainder of it, right? I'm watching the remainder of it and the 50% level of it. So this upcoming week, a few key points that I'm gonna be noting, that I'm gonna be watching for a possibility to draw the marketplace towards a new all-time high at 22,450 sharp right here. So am I okay to see this fair value gap getting filled? Not really. I would love the midpoint of it to stay open. I'm gonna go to the 4-hour chart to show you why. But the retracement back into the range is quite expected to shoot the marketplace higher for that all-time high condition. What happens if we do invert this fair value gap though? I'm watching sell side resting down below at 20,694, but you have to keep something in mind. Dollar has opened up. Dollar is looking to move lower, a lot lower. You can't even imagine how much lower, allowing the marketplace here in front of us in terms of NASDAQ delivery contract to run higher. All-time high could get breached and a lot of push to the upside might happen right after without any retracement, without even the marketplace allowing us to participate in it. So we're expecting dollar to go lower. I'm not gonna dive into dollar because I'm gonna say it out loud. We do this every single week and every single day live in my Discord community. So if you're not there, the link to come to the community for a free 7-day trial is down below. And if you're already there, please, you know how much effort I put into this. Leave a like to this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, this means me wonders. As promised, we're gonna be watching these daily delivery levels, but for the high probability entry in terms of what I'm watching, what I'm expecting, I wouldn't expect too much to happen for Monday trading because of that holiday. I would actually expect Tuesday to crash lower into the midpoint of this fair value gap, which would allow us to find the support in this 4 hours fair value gap. I wouldn't view it as a break of market structure right here below this low, and I would be looking for setups allowing the marketplace to run towards that all-time high on Wednesday, 2:30 p.m. onwards. Okay, what happens if we invert this 4 hours fair value gap right here? To be very honest with you, I'm okay with the marketplace going lower. Not only we would have an SMT here at the highs because ES is failing to deliver exactly the same price structure like we have here on NASDAQ. But it also would mean that this double top was just a run on liquidity, manipulation away from the range, right? We've been trading in a ranging condition here, manipulation for power of 3 away from the range, come back into it, break of market structure, right? And start crashing lower towards my beloved 20,700 and below. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna be watching. This is what are my expectations. It's not a 50 scenario. We have very, very precise key levels towards what I'm gonna be watching throughout the week. And as always, taking a small look at what kind of price delivery we got the previous week. What pushed us higher up into the double top right here, right? So Monday trading opens up. Yes, we have a small fair value gap here that the market really doesn't respect, but I said it during the live stream. I'm not expecting this hourly fair value gap right here to really matter because this doesn't happen during a session. Fair value gaps happening during a session are a lot more important, are a lot stronger. But take a look how beautifully the marketplace delivers power of 3 again. What do we have with the Monday opening up? We have a very clean range right here where we consolidate, right? Up until this point where we start manipulation towards lower prices, and take a look at what happens after manipulation. This 1 hour fair value gap gets inverted and the marketplace comes back into it, offering us the high probability setups. This is why we had such a good one-sided day on Thursday, because Thursday literally was the first distribution, second layer of distribution actually, but the first layer of distribution that we can participate in, thus just simply pushing the market to the upside. Continuation here on Friday. Yes, I was expecting the marketplace to come back into the range for the thank God it's Friday setup. Didn't happen, but still beautiful price delivery higher. My expectation for it is to continue. And take a look once again, for those who study power of 3 concepts, we have accumulation right here, manipulation to the downside, push again, optimal trade entry for the distribution higher. Beautiful price delivery. And again, we do this every single day in our Discord community. If you're not there, you're really missing out. With this being in mind, I'm not gonna hold you for a long anymore. I'm gonna say see you next week. Let's look for higher prices on NASDAQ this upcoming week. And I very much hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.